you feel me? Shakeel Moore here, NC State signing. My boy Ezra, go ahead and speak your piece.
Ezra Evans, Dominican College. Jalen Jr. Leeds McCray College, class of 2024.
Trent McIntyre, UNCP, Brave Nation.
Brave Nation, my boy.
Yo.
Bro, I hit a deer, bro.
Yo. Oh shoot.
Oh, what? Yeah, it's blood.
Nah, it's hair though.
It's a little bit.
Nice shorty. 10K.
I can't breathe. I chose State because, you know, I rock with Coach Keats and Coach Siddle when he was there. You know, he lets his guards boogie. You know, like what I mean by that, like he lets his guards hoop and you know, run the show the way they want to. We at the beach with it. We at the, I don't even. Oh, yeah, we at Tank Outlets.
Oh, that's terrible.
I was about to say, I just picked that up.
I might cover that.
Hey, look, I just picked that up, Jay. Hey, yo. 2 cans, buddy.
Bro, these hats.
I just replayed it. Oh, these hard.
Those are tough. Those are tough.
This might be a valid cop. Hey, Nick, say what's good to the cam.
What's good?
The biggest benefit for me was probably, you know, preparation. I felt like, you know, Coach Lowe and the guys being there, their staff, would help me prepare for the next level, you know, tremendously. Oh, John Wall experience, man. Honestly, it beats EYBO events for me because just the environment and like the hypeness every time a play happened. I remember when I dunked on that guy, it was going on for like 2 minutes, not 2 minutes, 2 plays straight. Like they was still going. It was in the free throw line. They still going crazy. Best experience ever. I don't really think I got an individual matchup like my best, but if I had to say somebody that's hard to guard throughout my career or throughout high school, probably Deshaun Ruffin. That boy, look quick mug. Gang, we had to plug with it. Finna cop some new.
Okay, so what are y'all doing? I want to be in it.
Little YouTube video. Yeah, little YouTube video. Yeah, so now we all hoop, we all, you know, bros. I've known Jalen for about 6, 7, 8 years. And you know, as 2016, and we've been rocking ever since. You know, we got that brand, the One Step Closer brand. It's about to blow up this year. And you know, T-Mac, I've been playing against T-Mac since 2015, and you know, yeah. So I'm already
in the Hall of Jamestown.
It just grew up in it. It's like, you know, the basketball, it brought us together. They ready.
They hungry, bro. Look at that big. Oh my god. Oh my, bro, that shit big.
I knew NC State was the right choice when Coach Keats, you know, pressed the issue. He really came on hard, you know, after a few events of the end of my career, and it just really, it made me want to, you know, pull the trigger.
I love NC State. Oh my God, I'm just gonna like love on you.
Well, good, because I'll play basketball at NC State next year.
No, I'm just telling you, I'm NC State grad.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So
Nice.
Can I just like love on him for just like, oh my God. Oh my God, are you really like NC State? I'm sorry.
No problem, no problem. Oh. Hey, yo. Oh, boy, I thought you was trying. Don't try me, bro. I thought he was trying to goddamn swing on some shit. Yeah. Hey, y'all trying to just run straight? Oh, we good. Come here. Oh, hey, yo. We out of here. I would say probably just riding dirt bikes. I mean, yeah, you know, just chilling with the guys. Just the places it can take you, the things it can do for you and your family.
Oh my God, are you just looking at me? I just like, okay, so, can I just like pee in my britches? Oh, like, no. I need a camera.
You got two right there.
I know. This is awesome.
1. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. Okay.
Thank you.
18.
Oh my God, my daughter's 18. You would be the perfect date for her. You're so beautiful. I want to take a picture of you and send it to her.
Man, listen.
Don't know.
Listen, these old schwools just tried to hit on us. The whole fam. Talking about she brought the whole gang over.
I'm cute. She talking about 9. She could be my grandma. She said the room. Talking about 9. Come to room 9 if you want to party.